Good morning, Facebook friend and relative. Today I'm in Tracy office. I will be videotaping the Tool 101 and also a step up with Josh and Rebecca. What made me different from the other agent, that I'm not just a real estate agent, I'm also a photographer. So you hire me to be your next listing agent. I have the expertise in terms of doing the video shoot and also the photography for your house. So with that technology, I can incorporate it into 7,000 websites. So make your listing and also make your closing faster. So reconsider this. You're looking to sell a house or buy a house. Use me as an agent. So I'm very unique and I'm very personal. I'm very dedicated to what I do. So today Friday, and happy Friday to you, and be safe. And one other thing, this weekend I will be hosting an open house in Ripon. So the address is 911 Manley Road and in Ripon. So from 12 to 3, so both Saturday and Sunday. Thank you and be safe, guys.